Welcome to WinHanvaki's E2E process. Let's see how new ERP digitalization is applied in the factory. Start from the moment of fabric loading to warehouse. Worker uses PDA to scan QR code to confirm fabric receiving, preparing the fabric color continuous card by using QR code per each individual roll, scanning QR code from the fabric roll before inspection, using the PDA to capture QC result and real-time sending data after inspection, using RFID automation for fabric roll to stock out. Leader and security guard will double-check and confirm by punch card before deliver to cutting. The warehouse dashboard will show all the real-time data. When the fabric rolls arrive to the cutting inbound area, worker will use the PDA to scan QR code to confirm fabric received, scanning the QR code for keep tracking of the inventory and converting data into WIP by using shop floor tracking system at the spreading machine. Bundling section will scan the barcode from the basket and that panel bundle ticket to keep tracking of the WIP after the second process. Then they will come to the shop floor hanger line. Worker scans the bundle ticket and the RFID reader will read the hangers to capture the garment quantity producing. Inline and end-line QC use tablet to check and capture the defected garment, and traffic light system will reflect the real-time status. And the result will then show on the dashboard. Dashboard hanger line will keep tracking of the CPO traceability, bundles quantity and QC result in detail. The TV dashboard display the real-time efficiency data per each production line and ROM. First-time QC result will be displayed as the entire factory performance. Products completed by HLS will be examined by QC at the end of the quality inspection line. The scan and pack will pick up the goods, locate the goods for metal detection. When the update process is completed, the goods will be detected and rejected for metal. After scanning, packages will be stamped and sealed properly, then switching the carousel to the warehouse. Will go through the final inspection before delivering the goods to the customer. The unsealed boxes must run through the metal detection machine again. In case the seal tape is removed, the products in the boxes will have to be redetected for metal. After the metal detection is completed, the boxes will be sealed in purple tape waiting for customers' approval for loading. We are able to fulfill unique approach to our customer service, manufacturing excellence, and employee engagement. WinHanvaki will continue to learn, grow and change perception for decade to come.